Images of thousands of Afghans fleeing the now Taliban-controlled Afghanistan captured the headlines for weeks. Well, now as those same refugees are being resettled to our area, many have nothing to start their lives here. So this morning, Maureen Ume is live with a Maryland woman who is working really hard to change that. She joins us live from Hyattsville. So Maureen, this isn't the first time that we've spoken to our next guest, actually.
Yeah, that's right. Her name is Manizha Aziz. You might recall her. We profiled her a couple weeks ago. She has been really hard at work collecting so many things for families displaced from Afghanistan who were driven out of there. She did it out of the kindness of her heart, collecting everything these families wanted. A lot of them donated or asked for things in specific. And so she really rallied and got them together. But then something unexpected and tragic happened. Someone stole the trailer that had everything in it. And so she had to regroup, start all over again. I would imagine that was just heartbreaking because this is something you did out of the goodness of your heart, and then here comes someone stealing the entire thing, worth anywhere from $6,000 to $8,000. How have you been able to regroup, and have you been able to regroup?
We have. I have some really great friends. I was actually able to make over, doing things like this. So we were able to reach out to our neighbors and our community and get the items that, some of the items at least that have been taken away so far, and it's been great so far.
And some of these people were giving for the second time because they gave the first time.
Correct. Right. Yeah, my neighbors especially. Bicycles and diapers, shoes. Many of the items were in the trailer, and we were able to get some of those back.
Is there anything that they critically need? I know we see the shoes, the diapers, there's even some rice here. Anything in particular that they critically need?
They need everything, Maureen. They need everything. They are requesting diapers because diapers are expensive. They need shoes. These are the things that so imagine going to a new country and just having the clothes on your back.
Right.
So they need everything.
And you have brought one of the refugees here. I don't want to classify her as a refugee. This is a woman who fled the country with her family. Now she's here. We can't show her identity because the threat is very real still there, and she could be prosecuted or persecuted in some ways. But I wanted to ask her a question, and maybe you could translate for us. I wanted to ask her, how does it feel to be here now and have some semblance of safety, even though, they're still rebuilding and need so much? How does it feel to be here now?
خودت حالا که اینجا هستید امریکا چطور احساس میکنی حالا که یک ذره آرام است اینجا چی احساس دارین به این؟
ما احساس بسیار خوب راحت و احساس بسیار خوبی داریم که آمریکا هستیم و خداوند شکرگزار هستیم بسیار موفقیت حس میکنیم که بالاخره رسیدیم با مشکلات امریکا.
She says she feels good. She feels safe. She's very thankful and grateful that they're here, and that they feel like they're the lucky ones, that have come here, and she feels good about it so far.
If there's one thing that she would want, what would it be?
اگه یک چیز خودت می‌خواستی چی چی خواهد باشه؟
مثلا؟
She says like یک چیزی که اگه یک چیز از پیش از یک چیز می‌خواستی چی می‌خواستی؟ As in materials or anything, هر چیز.
خواسته من در کل آرامش کشورم است.
She wants the country to be safe and to Afghanistan for it to be normal again.
Wow, and that's really selfless. And listen, I wanted to do something, as you know, this is a segment called Pay It Forward, where we like to give back because you're doing so much. Our friends at Eastern Automotive Group, Joel Bassam is the president there. He has done a little something for you guys and has a little message for you if you want to take a listen real quick.
Sure.
Hi, Ms. Azizi. This is Joel Bassam from Eastern Automotive Group. We were heartbroken to hear about what happened to the trailer of the things that you had raised for those going through the refugee crisis, and wanted to help you fill that trailer right back up, or in the next trailer right back up, by donating $2,000 so that you can help those families who are in need the most.
Oh, wow.
And here's the mock check for you. Congratulations. This is how we're paying it forward. Our friends at Eastern's Automotive. This will go a great way to help, will it not?
Oh, definitely will. Definitely will. Their families need everything. They need everything. And this is, I'm completely speechless. Thank you so much.
Well, we thank you for all you're doing, and I'm sure the people you're helping thank you as well. Joel Bassam, as always, you're amazing. Thank you for what you're doing. Eastern's Automotive Group helping us pay it forward today with helping Afghan refugees this morning. Manizha Aziz, thank you. You are an angel on earth. I'm sure so many people appreciate you, as do we. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Maureen. Thank you.
Absolutely. All right. And with that, I'll send it back to you, Jeanette, in the studio as we pay forward on this Tuesday in a very major way.
I love that she mentioned earlier that she has a community of friends that she's made throughout this, and even with this, that she feels the love and the support. So good to see that.
Let me point out one thing, by the way. There is an Amazon list that they've got that they were asking for donations. So if we could put that up, folks can go on there and donate things as well. So if you're watching at home and you want to help out, there's a way you can do that. Go to the Amazon list, and there's so many items that you can donate to help these folks out. They can really use it.
Okay, I'm glad you mentioned that, Maureen. It's not up now, but if you go to our website, to our viewers, please do fox5dc.com. I know a lot of folks are on Amazon, so use that time to try and give back if you can. Maureen, thank you.